My name is Zyann and Malcolm, and I am in grade 3, and my school is Wellington Public School.
My name is Veronica, and my school is Wellington PS, and my grade is grade 5.
A BSA is something special and very kind and loving, and it's where Black students can meet other friends of their own, and it makes me feel happy and special inside.
The BSA is important because if somebody doesn't feel included, so maybe the BSA could help because she'd feel belong.
We're very lucky that we have a wonderful parent community at Wellington that play a really involved role in our school and in their advocacy. So we actually had a parent who asked the principal if we could start a BSA at our school.
With my daughter, at the age of 4, she experienced racism, and it was really important to find solutions to how can we help her as well as other kids in the school to feel a sense of belonging. Everybody want to be able to say, hey, this is who I am, my culture is part of who I am, and what better way to create that safe space for students at Wellington Public to come together every Wednesday and share experiences, their lived experiences as Black students, and also share what's going on in the classroom.
I'm happy that they have a BSA association because it's helped her to build her confidence and to socialize with her peer. And the teachers here are very, very good at helping these Black students, not only in the association, but in the classwork as well.
So this is our 3rd year of having a BSA at Wellington. We have had a number of different activities that the students have participated in. We've had graphic designers come in, we have had dance instructors come in, we have had cooking lessons, we have had family members come in to talk about their identity.
There's nothing more holistic and healing than having a sense of identity and knowing that, hey, this space creates that for me and I can go there and be my most authentic self.
People join the BSA because they like to see other people just like them, to feel included and to feel like they belong.
I would like to say thank you to all the people that helped me through my journey.